Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Lombard wallet address on Binance. So Lombard or BART token just get listed on Binance, and if you want to transfer your token from other wallets to Binance, it's very easy. First, you have to find the wallet address. So I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see there is advanced here. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then you can search BART. This one you can click it, and there are two network. You can choose BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. For this video I'm gonna choose BNB Smart Chain. So yeah, and this is my Lombard wallet address on Binance. So you can just copy it or scan it and then transfer the token from other wallets to Binance. And make sure the network is same, which is BNB Smart Chain. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.